In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix World App Restricted Account Quick Fix. When your World App account shows as restricted, it usually means the platform detected unusual activity, policy violations, or account verification issues. Restrictions can limit your ability to send or receive funds, access certain features, or even log in fully. The good news is that most restrictions can be resolved quickly if you follow the right steps. Start by making sure that the World app is updated in here in your App Store or Play Store. Now, go ahead and open the World app and checking for any notifications or messages explaining the restriction. Often, the app will indicate whether it's due to verification issues, such as missing ID documents or suspicious activity, like unusually large transactions. Make sure your account details, including your name, email, and phone number, match the documents you submitted during sign up. If the restriction is due to verification, complete the required steps immediately. Upload valid documents such as a government issued ID, passport, or utility bill, and ensure the images are clear and meet World Apps guidelines. After submission, it usually takes few hours to a couple of days for the support team to review and lift the restriction. For restrictions triggered by suspicious activity, contact World App support directly through the in-app chat or email. Explain your situation politely and provide any evidence showing that your transactions were legitimate. Avoid creating multiple accounts to bypass the restriction, as this can lead to permanent bans. Finally, ensure your app is updated to the latest version and that your device complies with the app's security requirements. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app can sometimes resolve minor glitches that trigger false restrictions. Following these steps usually restores full access to your account without further delays. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.